Alright, in this part, I'll teach you how to install the hard drive into the casing. First off, take your hard drive, pick one of the slots. Most of them should come with one of these little things. Twist them open and just pop them out. There should be one on the other side too. Take them out if it's there. If it's not there, then good for you. Just take it. So slowly slide it in. Make sure the holes are aligned here and here. Hold on a sec, I'll show you closer. Make sure the holes here and here are aligned. Take the thing that popped out just now, slot it in. Make sure it's secure and just lock it. There you go. After that, you'll find two slots here, a short one and a long one. The long one is for power, the short one is for data. So on the power supply, all the cords, you should find one of these long ones. It looks like an L shape. See here? And this little indent here. So you just take that and just hold on a sec. It's a huge mess of wires here. Take that, make sure it's aligned properly. And just insert it in. There you go, it's inserted in. Now, when you buy a hard drive, it should come with one of these RAID SATA cables. These are for data. There you go, it's a smaller L shape. If it doesn't come with these, then I suggest you go buy one of these cables. And here's how you install them. It's the same as the power cable. Just find the correct sides. Just slot it in. Push it in, snap it into place, and you're done. Now, on your motherboard, you should find hold on. You should find these red slots here. Now, on the instruction manual on your motherboard, you'll find SATA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or how many SATA ports your motherboard has. Just take the other end of the cable from the hard drive, find the correct SATA port, make sure it's number 1. Hold on a sec. Mine is here. Well, it takes a while to get used to. Push it in. We're done. You just installed your hard drive. And the next part, we'll install the CD drive. Thanks for watching. There'll be multiple slots in the front. Just pop them out and take your CD drive and slide it in. Once it's secure, make sure it's the same as hard drive. Make sure the screws are aligned here. I'll take the same thing. There's a row of them here. I just took them out. Take the same thing. Slide them in. and lock them in place. Alright, secure. Now time for the power cables. It's the same as the hard drive. One of these red cables, and one of these weird L-shaped connectors. One sec. Yeah, another one here. So you can see. Just take it, find the correct slot. These slots are always in 3 dimensions. Put it in. Put it in place and you're done. And I'll do the same thing with the red cable. And let me zoom in to give you a better view. Alright, the same cable, slot it in. Now, hold on, let me adjust the camera. On this side, just take it and plug into the second SATA slot. Lock it in place. There you go. You just finished installing your CD drive. And basically at this point your computer is completed. You can just start it up and install the software, sorry. And that's it. That's how to build your computer. There are more peripherals I have to install on mine, and you can see them in the next parts of the videos if you want to. This is optional. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright people, I made a mistake in the previous part. I was supposed to tell you how to put the front panel, all the power buttons and the restart buttons in, but I apparently forgot that. So here it is. First off, here is the power button, the hard drive read LEDs and everything else. Well, on most front panels they all come in one neat adapter, but if they don't come in this, then well, you just have to read the diagram that's on the instructions to your motherboard and just look at the labels that are on the wires and just plug them in accordingly. For mine, they go in here. Hold on a sec. They go in the top here. There we go. They go in here. Alright. Now, time for the HD audio cables. These cables go to the front panel with the audio in and out. Then they're supposed to go into here. Then again, all motherboards are different, so remember, read your motherboard instructions before attempting to install any of these. Hold on, and get it in. It's a bit of a bother, and it's in. And then on this, crap, it came out. Just on tight, and here's another one. This one is for the, hold on, let me focus. This is for the front panel, for USB front panels. It also comes in adapter. If yours doesn't come in adapter, there's still a label USB on it, so you know where to plug it in once you read the motherboard instructions. Mine goes in here. Hold on a sec. It goes in here. Alright, front panels are done. Hard drive is in. CD drive is in. power supply is in, the graphics card is in, sound card in, everything's in, all the wires are plugged in, and here we are done. You can start the computer now, and actually close the casing first, start the computer, and you can install Windows. The instructions to installing Windows will be in the handbook that will be provided, and that's all. Thanks for watching. I have more peripherals to install back into the computer, but since most of those are optional, you can learn how to install them in the next video, or if you didn't buy any of them, you don't need to know how to install them. So, well, watch the video anyway if you want to. So thanks and goodbye.